Here's my knife sharpening setup for when I do markets, and it was great. I used it once and it worked awesome. The only thing that I had an issue with is when people would give me their knives, I didn't have anywhere to put them. I was stacking them up on my table where I had all my display knives. So I think what I'm going to do now is put some kind of shelf in here so that I can have, you know, knives that I'm working on, that I'm sharpening, that won't be on my table over here. So let me see if I can throw something together. First things, obviously first, we gotta remove some of these staples. I'm not the biggest fan of measuring things, so I'll just stack up a couple boxes so I can get a general idea of where I need to make a cut. Some semi-straight lines. Okay. Yeah, well, kind of. I was gonna put some braces down here and on the side. So let me do that, and then I'll plop that on there. Wow, that's just, you know, expert craftsmanship at its finest. Let's see if the shelf fits. Hey, looky there. It serves a purpose. I'm gonna wait till the glue dries, then I'll hack off all the overhang. Yeah, I'm just shoring these pieces up because nothing is flush, therefore nothing has a good glue joint. So nothing a couple screws can't fix. Went ahead and put a little clip here to hook onto the inside. That way it doesn't slide out or kind of rock. It rocks a little bit, but I think it'll be all right. I'm not putting a lot of weight on it. But there you go. A little upgrade. I'll let you know how it goes.